explain the structure of chloroplast with a neat label sketch. So, if we have think in such a way, why the plants are green in color? We can say presence of chloroplast. So, really, what is a chloroplast? If we had to say, in a green plants, there are special membrane bound organelles called chloroplast, occurs mainly in the mesophyll of the leaves. Typical chloroplast are, you can say, in a disc shape and consists of three membranes. If the cell is broken up, the chloroplast also break down into pieces. So, it becomes a very difficult task to isolate them to study different steps of photosynthesis. It was not so easy. Actually, in 1954, that Daniel I. Aronon was able to break up the plant cells so gently, and that whole chloroplast could be obtained that could carry through the photosynthesis. And really, the chloroplast structure, if we have taken, is made up of with three membranes. And in the chloroplast, there is a fluid portion called stroma, responsible for enzymatic reactions leading to the synthesis of glucose, which in turn join to form a starch. These chloroplasts are green in color due to the presence of a pigment called chlorophyll. So, this chlorophyll will play a major role in the process of photosynthesis. The chlorophyll and other pigments of the chloroplast are fat soluble and are located in the liquid part of the thylakoid membrane. So, in fact, if we have taken the chlorophyll structure, chlorophyll is such a pigment which consists of one atom of magnesium. It is similar structure like a heme of a hemoglobin, which is present in the human blood, which consists of 4 atoms of iron. In the same way, here this magnesium will play just like a role of hemoglobin. That suppose if we have taken the real structure, or if we deep went inside the chlorophyll, the two major kinds of chlorophylls are associated with the thylakoid membrane. So, chlorophyll A is the blue-green in color, and chlorophyll B is yellow-green color. So, around 250 to 400 pigments molecules are grouped as a light harvesting complex, photosynthetic until what you can say it is a unit in each granum. Such innumerable units functions together in chloroplast of a green plants in the process of a photosynthesis. And in other way, we can say these pigments all together will work, and we can say it is a photo harvesting center, which means we can say maximum absorption of the photon particles and is helpful for the continuity process of photosynthesis. So here, what really these things are taking place really? In fact, we can say the conversion of light energy to chemical energy, splitting of water molecule, and reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates, you can say.